guys, I'll be showing you how to make a 3D Rubik's Cube, like right here. This 3D Rubik's Cube was a little hard to make, but once I figured out how to do it, I immediately got to how to do it. See, I built lots. I built 2x2, 3x3, and 4x4. So it's time you should learn how to make one. Okay, so start by making a new project. See, there's the 4x4. Start by making a new project. And just wait, it's loading. So here we can go to here and delete costume 2 and press this delete button on costume 1. Now we have a blank sprite. Before I show you how to make a Rubik's Cube, I'll show you an example of making something 3D. So pretend you want to make a chair. Seems harder than a Rubik's Cube, but it's not. So check the bottom of the chair. The bottom of the chair has like four stands, right? It has 4 stands, but instead of drawing 4 stands, we would draw 4 squares. Oh wait, don't do that. So just draw 1 square and then copy it. So just copy it and paste it, then move it, paste, move it, paste, move it. Now we have this weird thing. So select all of it and move it here. Okay. And so first, if you go to events, you would see this when green flag click. So put that in every script. Then next you go here and press repeat. And the higher, the more tall your legs are. So for example, I would do 5. So what you would do now is press create clone of myself. Oh wait, I forgot to mention you have to hide it. Hide button's right there. Now you won't see it on the screen. Create clone of myself and press here change Y by, you can choose 1 or 2, but I would recommend 2. Change Y by 2. So but we don't start it yet because we have to put when I start as a clone, show. Now look, we made some legs. So you can see 5 is not tall enough. I'd say 10. No, do some experimenting. I would recommend you do 15 because 15 is a good height. Oh wait, look, it's too high. Position it to 0. There we go. So that's how you do it. Okay, now you might ask, what to do with it now? It doesn't even look like a chair. Okay, before I do that, I'll just say if it doesn't look 3D to you, I can prove it. Here's how to prove it. So get a forever loop, put if then. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Then you get key space pressed, but instead press like any key, but I choose right arrow, then turn like this way 5 degrees. Now it should be turning. Look, it's 3D. Huh? Okay, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Wait, okay, I forgot to say you should put that so that it goes in the center. Now onto the weird things, like why is it not a square? See, if you're new, just make it a new color, but press that and press paint. You'll have a new blank costume. Now imagine the seat of the chair. It's like a rectangle, but in 2D that would be, if you look at it up, it would be like a square. So we're gonna draw a big square. put it here. And this is the part that you might get confused. You see, this is bigger than the chair. This chair. Oh, okay, wait, that was not right. So for now we make it a little bigger. It says 57 by 57, but then the other one's 70 by 63. We'll probably change it like here. Now, if we press the green flag, it turns into a cube. Okay, here's the part where you might get a little bit of trouble, but it's no. So look, this part is the stands, which its name is costume 1. So we switch it to costume 1. Now it should be back to this. Okay, now where's the big thing that we just made? Oh, so pretty simple. So get this and change it to costume 2, which is our big square, and then get the repeat and do the same thing, but don't set it to 15. So I'll set it to, I'd say 5. Let's see. I don't know yet, but I just don't know the sizes. I know how to make it though. So now we create clone of myself, then here. Oh yeah, change Y by 2. And oh, look at that. Got a stool. It almost looks like a chair. So yep, that is a rectangle, but when you look at it from the up, okay, so it would be like this. Pretend you want to make this Lego piece. So if you want to build this part, I would say look at it from the top. Ignore these weird bumpy things, and you would see a square. So that's exactly what you're gonna put. So now that we see it, this is what we'll put. Not this brown Lego piece, but without these. So like a rectangle to rest your back on. So that looks like, so if we look at it from the top, ignore these, it will look like a rectangle. So we would draw a rectangle. So now we would just draw this rectangle like this big, like that. Okay, now we do the same things. I think you get it now. I'll just copy this. Change it to costume 3 and whoopsies. There's a mistake. It's already, sorry problem. Look, it's already in the center. So that means it will appear in the center of a chair. Look. I'll change its color and I'll tell you, it's just not right. Look where it is. It's in the center of the chair. Right? That's just not right. Oh, that's wrong. Okay, so what we'll do now is move it away from the center, which is that big point. Okay, so it will be like over there. Problem solved. But it's just too small. Like, I'll change it to 20. I don't know if it's too high. Okay, that's definitely high. But you see what I'm talking about, right? Okay, so now that you get it, we can move on to how to make a Rubik's Cube in the next video. Okay? Okay, bye. Sorry I let you down. We're not gonna make a Rubik's Cube. Okay, bye.